Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, I'll be using acetone, aluminum foil paper, and some cotton. So this is how my nails are looking after 1 month and a couple days, because 3 days past 1 month right now. And as you're able to see right here, the nails have grown quite a good distance away from my cuticles. However, the free edges are still intact. There is no chipping or anything like that, because I did do a bit of a maintenance on them about a week and a half ago, and I actually showed that on my Instagram live. So if you guys are not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so now, because I do make regular posts there, as well as I'm always active on my stories. So essentially what we'll be doing is that we're going to add some acetone to the cotton pad, and then we're going to put that around the fingernail and then wrap it around with the foil paper. So I've had these on for about 8 minutes. Now I'm just taking them off, and I'm using an orange root stick to help remove the melted nails from my fingernail. So there's still some nail residue left on my natural nails, so I just decided to cover them back again, and if necessary you can add some more acetone to the cotton before covering them again, and then just leave them for another 5 minutes or so. Now that all the fake nails are off my natural nails, I'm going ahead with an emery board, and I'm using that to file down my nails because they're way too long right now, and I'm shaping them at the same time. Next, I'm using a buffer block to lightly dust off the nails. Now I'm adding some olive oil to my cuticles, and I'm just rubbing that in all over the nails. I will not be putting on color on my nails today, so I'll just be going in first and applying this base coat, and then after that I'm adding this top coat for the sheen. I've been wearing press-on nails consecutively for about 6 months, so this would be like the first time in about 6 months that I'm going to be wearing my natural nails. So yeah, let's see how long I can hold up, because my nails are naturally very thin, and now that I've taken off nails from them, they normally feel a lot softer for the first couple of days before they regain their strength. So yeah, I hope they don't break, and you know, the polish normally chips very easily when you're not wearing anything on your natural nails apart from just polish. I do recommend that you take a break in between putting on the press-on nails or any type of nail service that you do on your nails. So I hope to take a break from press-on nails for about a week. So let's see how well that goes. After that, I'm just adding some more oil to the cuticles and all over the nails. And this is basically how I remove my press-on nails without causing any damage to my natural nails. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so. And I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.